Hi guys, welcome back to Love Cooking with Toghfah. Today I am making string beans and Parmesan cheese. So before we get into it, I would like to request that you like my videos, subscribe to my channel and share my links in order to share recipe for recipe sharing and for my cancer journey. So I was about to make supper and I have a friend over this evening and he was like, why don't you just record yourself cooking? So I was like, actually, you know what? Not a bad idea. So I just have some string beans over here that I washed. And now I'll be adding in some crushed garlic. I'm just basically having fun with it. I am eating healthy as best as I can since I've been diagnosed with cancer. And then I'll also add a little bit of olive oil. I'll drizzle some olive oil on here. And I'm sprinkling some Aromat on there. I'm using Aromat. I was about to use the salt, but I changed my mind. And then I'm also going to just add a couple of cracks of pepper. My oven is heating on 180 degrees and I'll pop this into the oven. I was actually thinking, you know what, maybe I can just add 2 cheeses. So I went over to the fridge to fetch some cheese. The cheese, you don't forget the cheese. Maybe just a little bit. And then I'm not going to bake this for too long because I still want it a little bit crunchy. And then I'm adding the Parmesan cheese. Guys, I am feeling naughty, so I decided I'll be adding in some crushed chilies or chili flakes just to spice up my life. And then I also have some dry fried onions that I'm just going to sprinkle on top of there, just to give it an oniony taste. Guys, in between the baking time, you can just test the bean itself to see how tender it is. If you'd like to have it softer than the crunchy texture, then you can take it out. Other than that, I don't want it too soft. So I'll show you what mine looks like when I am done.